Hi everyone, this is Kanu the Tarologer. Welcome back to another video of my channel. I hope you are doing great. I thought of doing a collective reading this time for this new moon that is happening today. This new moon is a special one because it's happening on 8th of August and August is the 8th month. So this date is called 8/8 Lionsgate Portal because of two reasons. First of all, 8 is a number of success. It brings money, opportunities, prosperity in your life. And the second reason is based on the tropical astrology. So according to the tropical astrology, Sun is in Leo currently. So this makes it a very lucky day for all of you to manifest your desires. The universe is opening up its portal for all of you. The positive energies are going to be very high and you can manifest anything that you want. So wish wisely. You can manifest good things in your life easily on this date if you set your intention to it. So let's see what are you manifesting this new moon which is happening on Lionsgate Portal. So I'm going to begin with Knight of Pentacles. So this new moon brings you the long awaited results of your past efforts. This small pentacle is his goal and he is chasing it. Almost feels like he has grabbed it. He has manifested his goals after putting in a lot of efforts. I feel you are manifesting your goals. You are manifesting your dream job, your dream career. You would be completely focused on your goals. Knight of Pentacles also indicates change in career, change in your profession, movement, change of place, or some kind of a journey is indicated with this card. And Three of Cups indicates that there is some kind of a celebration is coming up for you, and we have a moon here. So this celebration could be because of achieving your dreams. It could be because of an engagement or a marriage ceremony. This could also mean a get together with your friends, with your family. And with Two of Cups, I feel that this celebration could also be because of your own marriage. Or maybe someone is coming up in your life. This person could have any one of the water signs as their sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign. That is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The connection with this person is going to be very deep and very strong. With Knight of Pentacles, I feel some of you would be finding your love at work. For others of you, I feel someone is coming up for you to help you to raise your vibes, who will help you to heal also. And with Seven of Cups, I feel you would be releasing all your confusions. You would be finally realizing and choosing the one that you are most drawn to. You would be finally choosing the one that your heart has been telling you to do. And we have Seven of Wands. So of late you had been fighting inner battles and you would be getting a relief from all those inner battles now. You would be realizing that no one is out there to hurt you. You would be choosing your battles wisely. You won't be putting your energies into unnecessary fights and would start putting your energies into something that is more meaningful and productive. And we have Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles brings money, success, job opportunities, good health. This is a very positive card in terms of a positive and fresh start in your career. You would be making good financial decisions. And we have Strength. So this new moon will help you realize your inner powers. You will realize the hidden magic that resides within you. You will gain the confidence in terms of that Everything will be okay in the end. And we have Two of Wands. So for some of you, I feel you would be finally deciding which way to go, and whatever you choose will be the right one. Whatever you choose will bring success and happiness. And we have Six of Wands. So we have another card that indicates success. This witch has achieved something really meaningful. She is getting rewarded and appreciated for her hard work and for her achievements. So success is definitely on your way. And we have potential. So look at this mountain here. So this new moon will help you reach your highest potential. You would be surprised with realizing your true potential. And we have community. So you would be receiving a lot of appreciation from the people around you, from your community. Some of you would be finding your soul tribe. If any of you are building your community, your audience on YouTube or any other social networking platform, then this indicates your audience would be growing. A lot of people will be coming out to support you in your endeavors. So we got another success card. So this Lionsgate portal is going to bring much deserved success. Your efforts are going to get rewarded very soon, and this is for all of you. And we have healing chaos. So like I said earlier, you might have been fighting inner battles and you might be fighting outer battles as well. And look at these beautiful butterflies. They are so beautiful. You would be manifesting something beautiful from all the battles that you have fought till date. And butterflies also indicates change and transformation. So this change will bring peace and satisfaction in your life. And we have believe in magic. So it says, open your eyes and see the magic that's all around in nature. The fairy of the northern light says, you are part of nature, so you are magical too. So this new moon will strengthen your faith in your abilities, in the magic that resides within and outside of you. I feel your third eye chakra and crown chakra will be opening up. You will be more connected with your higher self. And we have magical blessings. So it says, whatever you are going through, you are being blessed by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. So you would be creating a blessed life for yourself and for the others as well. Universe will help you in co-creating a blessed life for you, and you would be helping out others as well in co-creating a blessed life for themselves. And we have precious time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully and to make the most of your precious time. Be mindful not to waste others' time either. So if you can see, there are a lot of keys. Very small keys are there in this card. Keys brings freedom. You would be gaining freedom. It could be freedom from financial restrictions. It could be freedom from anxiety. It could be freedom from self-made restrictions. You might be feeling that time is running out and you are not able to make the most of it. But now you will be able to make the most of it. You would be utilizing your time the way you want. Maybe the time is coming for some of you when you would be gaining spiritual wisdom and knowledge. For some of you who didn't have time for themselves, soon you will have enough time to spend on yourself. And we have emotions are running high, supermoon. So your energies are going to be super high. You will be more enthusiastic, more inspired towards your goals, and otherwise also you will be charged up. You will feel excited. This new moon will bring a lot of energy within you. And we have you are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So your hard work is bringing good results. You would be reaping the fruits of your hard work very soon. This card also brings the fruits of your good karma, and this card also indicates good health. And we have full moon in Taurus. Your dreams need a practical plan. So Taurus energy is coming into your life. Taurus brings all the material comforts. It brings luxury, it brings finances, property, and it is ruled by Venus. That also brings love into our life. And we have new moon in Leo. Confidence is your key to success. So this is a very good sign. So this is a very good coincidence that this reading is about new moon that is happening on Lionsgate portal 88, and we have new moon in Leo card in this reading. So this is a very good sign. So confidence is bringing you success. This new moon is going to bring a lot of confidence within you, a lot of courage within you. You will be shining like the sun. This card also brings fame. So we have these 3 full moon cards here, and the last of them is the new moon. So from the cycle of full moon to a new moon, we release those things that are unwanted in our lives. So this pattern of the cards here indicates that you would be releasing all those unwanted negative emotions out of your system. Basically, you would be releasing all your shadows. So that's all I have for you now. I hope this reading was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care.